If you are looking for the Waterdrop reviews, you've come to the right place. We attempted to include detailed information on the high-definition monocular telescope in our video, which should be sufficient to meet all of your requirements. All of them keep their features, prices, quality, durability, manufacturer's reputation, and genuine customer feedback. If you want to buy the Waterdrop reviews, we believe this list will be very useful to you. All the products listed are in the description. Let's get started with the video now. Number 1. Brita Standard Everyday Pitcher. Brita's iconic everyday 10-cup pitcher in many ways defines the filter pitcher category, but it has a few design weaknesses that make it less pleasant to use than the Per Classic. Among Brita's many pitchers, the iconic 10-cup standard everyday pitcher is our favorite because of its easy-to-clean design, but its handle is less comfortable to hold than the Per Classics, and to fill the pitcher, you have to remove the lid entirely, which requires two hands. Number 2. Brita Standard Pitcher and Dispenser Filter. Brita's best certified filter, the Long Last Plus, also branded the Elite, has more certifications than Per's filters, and it's rated to perform for 120 gallons, or 6 months, which is 3 times the rated lifespan of most other filters, including that of the Per filters and Brita's basic pitcher and dispenser filter. This can make the Long Last Plus cheaper to use in the long run. However, sediment-rich water can clog its particulate filtration design, so for many people, the filter doesn't actually last 6 months. Also, the Long Last Plus technically has its full set of 30 certifications, only when it's used in pitchers and dispensers that directly measure how much water has been filtered, and we don't like the design of the Britas with this ability. The Brita Standard Pitcher and Dispenser Filter costs less and clogs less often, but Number 3. Per Classic 11-Cup Pitcher. The elements that make the Per Classic 11-Cup Pitcher stand out are its comfortable-to-hold handle, flip-top lid for one-handed filling, and high-volume fill tank. We also preferred the design of the Per Classic 11-Cup Pitcher, which has several details that make it easier to use than its competitors. A flip-top lid you can fill one-handed, a high-volume fill tank, which reduces trips to the faucet, and a comfortable-to-hold, ergonomic hand. Number 4. Per Pitcher Filter. The Per Plus Pitcher Replacement Filter and Basic Per Pitcher Filter have some of the most extensive American National Standards Institute NSF International, ANSI NSF, certifications of any pitcher filters we researched, and they have been rigorously proven to remove a greater number and range of potential water contaminants than many competitors. They're also competitively priced and easy to find. These are strong points because, like all pitcher filters, they have to be replaced regularly. The Per Pitcher filter can tackle a full tank of water in about 7 minutes. The lead reduction filter. Number 5. Brita Ultramax Dispenser. Brita's Ultramax Dispenser comes with a Long Last Plus filter. It works much like the Per Plus 30-cup dispenser, and the two models are very similar in size. The Ultramax is a fine option, and for heavy-use households, it's a great one, but the Ultramax's handles are less comfortable to hold than those of the Per dispenser, and its opaque upper tank can make water level. That's all I've got for today. All of the product links are listed in the description below. Every day, we upload videos, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications about